We are now joined by Trevair Walker with Perfect Peace Personal Services. Thank you so much for joining us. We are keeping our social distancing with the Alabama Department of Public Health guidelines.
Yes, ma'am.
So kind of tell me a little bit about what you do.
I am the owner of Perfect Peace Personnel Services, and we provide high quality care for the elderly in the community. Along with that care in the community, we also provide outside leisure activities for the elderly. And our mission is to continue with the permanent care of services for the elderly, making sure that they get all their needs met. We do things such as bathing, housekeeping, sitting. If they own businesses, we go in and we clean their business up for them. We do housekeeping, medication management, those type things for the elderly in the community.
So a lot of good things to help them out.
Yes.
How did you get started with this?
I've been an RN for 22 years, and I worked with Alacare Home Health in Troy, and I noticed that while working with them that we ran across a lot of people that had a lot of needs, and oftentimes the social workers couldn't find help for them. So with me being a nurse, they always say, well, we just do the medical things, but I wouldn't do that. And I had this one little guy that I would go visit all the time, and he had a real need. So I would make him my first visit in the morning. That wasn't documented. I would just go in, get him up out the bed, make sure that he was fed, make sure that he had everything he needed to start that day. And every time I come, he would say, "Here comes my perfect peace." So he did that for a couple weeks that we had him. Well, he started to go into that dying process. So I would start making him my first visit and my last visit of the day. And during the last visit, I would always clean up for him, make sure his house was good for visitors coming in and different things, and he would consistently call me his perfect peace. So the day that he was getting ready to pass, his son came in and he said, "Here's my perfect peace," and he quoted Isaiah 26:3 to me. And at that moment, I moved forward to make sure that I could help the lives of the rest of the elderly.
And so he kind of named this, helped you name it.
He helped me name my business.
That's sweet. Kind of what does it mean to you to be able to help the people that need help?
It really sets me on a different standard from just a regular nurse. It really touches me to see these people able to live the quality lives that they lost due to aging. So anything that I can do to help see them smile, that's what I do.
So if someone needs your help, how do they get in contact with you?
If someone needs my help, all they need to do is send me a message by cell phone at 334-447-1737, or they can send me an email at ppp2019@gmail.com.
All right, perfect. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.